Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate with other musicians on BandLab. Whether you're working with a friend or collaborating with artists worldwide, BandLab makes it very easy to create music together. So let's see the steps on how to actually do this. So if you want to do this, first step to take is, of course, choose your preferred browser and go to bandlab.com. So once you are on the website, you just have to sign into your account, and then you have to access the projects that you want to collaborate with other artists on. So for example, I have this project saved right here, or you can start a new project, though you can start a new project and then invite from there. But I'm just going to open this existing project that I have, so I will click on it. And then I'll come over here, click on studio. This will take me to my studio so that I can work on the project. So it's loading. So all right, so what we just have to do right now, once this is loaded, is to it's very straightforward, simply come over here and click on this icon right here, click on that, and then you see collaborators option. So you just have to go ahead and enter the user's email. So once you do that, you can now send an invite to the person. Okay, you can now send an invite to the person, and then after inviting collaborators, you can set permission, decide who can edit the track, who can only listen, and who can comment. This helps manage the creative process and keeps everything organized. And once your collaborators join, they can start contributing to the project. You will see their tracks added to the project timeline, and you can interact in real time with them. So once you're done collaborating, you can publish the song directly on BandLab or export it to share on other platforms. So that's it, guys. So these are how you can actually collaborate with other artists on BandLab so that you can work on a project together. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.